in the water.
Blub, 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 blub.
Maybe.
What do sharks make noise?
What was that again, Lara?
It's the shark.
Oh, okay.
It's the shark.
Look. Shabby! I did.
When no one is around you, baby, I love
Give me
you.
some more animal noises.
What does a...
Oh, chicken. What does a chicken make?
Ooh.
Ooh, that was good.
Yeah, no.
I can't do it either. Cluck, cluck.
Oh, like.
Are you videoing?
I don't. These girls are making farm animal noises right now.
A lion is not
Oh, sorry, lion. Lion's not a farm animal.
It is on Secondhand Lions.
See, see.
That's a great movie, too.
I haven't seen that movie either.
Sad day.
$5 at Walmart. $5 bin. Yes, that's right. Yeah.
What other animals?
What does a lemur say?
What the crap is a lemur?
Something just vibrates.
That's
Yeah,
my
that's the
phone.
Oh, I got it.
A lemur is... Have you ever seen the movie Dinosaur?
Yeah.
Those are lemurs.
What?
Little monkey type thingies. With the long tails.
Are there
Yeah, like Zaboomafoo.
Yeah, Zaboomafoo is
Oh,
a lemur.
those things.
What does a sloth say?
It does.
They just sit there.
They're lazy. They don't exercise their vocal cords.
What about a kangaroo?
What about a bear?
How about a giraffe?
They don't know.
Ooh, who can do the best elephant? Ooh.
All right, you first, Quinette. You first, Quinette.
I can't do it now. Come on, Quinette. What whistle?
I can do.
I almost did it.
You trying to do this?
Okay, someone else do it.
You just blew your hair out. That was awesome.
I can't do it.
Laura, your turn.
I tried to teach my niece again.
I think we're done with this for now.